This is the skills practice for section 3.4, adjacent angles and linear pairs. Use the terms adjacent angles, linear pair, or neither to describe angles 1 and 2 as many ways as possible. So it's just like what we did on that study guide previously. I'm going to put neither for this first one. Notice how there's a space in between. There's an angle that lives in between those two angles, so they're not adjacent. But angles 1 and angle 2 definitely are adjacent. However, their non-shared sides do not make a line, so they're not a linear pair. But this is what a linear pair looks like. They have to be adjacent first, and they make a line. So I'll use that abbreviation. Angles 1 and angle 2, these are not a linear pair. They are not next to each other. There's a space here and a space here. These angles will be classified as something different down the road. Right now we're just going to say it's not adjacent, so it's not a linear pair. We'll just say neither. Number 5, those are adjacent angles. You could actually even say they're complementary angles. They make a right angle. Number 6, those are adjacent angles. Number 7, big diagram, just focus on angles 1 and angle 2. They're adjacent. Number 8, they're neither. There's a space in between. They don't share a side. Number 9, these are adjacent angles and a linear pair. Okay, bottom part. In the figure to the right, ray MA and ray MG are opposite rays. So what that's telling you is this is a line. It looks like a line. They're telling you they're opposite rays, so that is a line. Also, ray MC and ray MJ are opposite rays. So we actually have 2 lines here. So obviously there's going to be some linear pairs. Number 10 says, which angle forms a linear pair with angle AMC? Well, take a look at angle AMC. If you can't see which one forms a linear pair with it, then this is what you need to do. You need to draw a line. And when I say draw a line, I mean obviously from the picture, from the diagram. Angle AMG is a straight angle, so I'm drawing that because I need a linear pair. That's my line. Now you also need angle AMC on here. Angle AMC lives right here. Now look at the picture that you drew. What's the other angle in the picture? You got angle AMC, you got angle AMG, what's the other little angle? Angle CMG. That's the best way to do it. Redraw the picture. Draw the line and draw the angle that they give you. And the other angle that's there is your answer. Now, there's other answers here too because you could have drawn this other line. Or this other line, rather. Number 11. Do angle CME and angle EMJ form a linear pair? Justify your answer. Here's angle CME. Here's angle EMJ. I'm going to draw them. Notice how they make this angle CMJ. And what kind of angle is angle CMJ? It's a straight angle. So yes, they form a linear pair. Justify your answer. There you go. There's the picture. Number 12, name 2 angles that are adjacent to angle EMG. So I'm going to go with its neighbor to the left, angle CME, and I'm going to go with its neighbor to the right, angle GMJ. Number 13, name two angles that form a linear pair with angle JMG. So we need two angles now. So you need a linear pair, so you better draw a line. So from the picture, I'm going to draw angle CMJ. And then I'm going to draw this angle on it, angle JMG. What's the other angle? You got angle JMG. Angle CMG. Now, there's another line, so we need to draw it as well. And then draw this same angle JMG on there. I didn't help myself here. But notice the other angle. Angle AMJ. Number 14, name three angles that are adjacent to angle AMK. So here's angle AMK. Let's go to its neighbor to the left side. Angle AMC, definitely adjacent. How about its neighbor to the right side? Okay, well, where are the other neighbors? Well, you just need to go with a bigger angle. Okay, so there's a bigger angle over here that's also adjacent to it. So we'll call it angle KMG. And you could have done the same thing over here. You could have picked this angle on the other side of it that's adjacent to it.